Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Kuse AI. Is it worth it? Kuse AI is a newer workspace tool that mixes a visual canvas with AI chat, letting you upload files, organize ideas, and generate outputs in one place, instead of just prompting in a normal chat box. So over here, it focuses more on structure, meaning you can drag, arrange, and build content from different sources like text, images, or documents, while the AI helps connect everything together in context. For pros, it's useful for handling messy inputs, brainstorming, and content planning since you don't need to constantly retype prompts. And it gives a more visual workflow than some users find easier than plain chat. It can also work well for students, creators, and teams doing research or strategy work. For cons, the platform is still developing, so some features may feel limited. The free plan has restrictions, and it can take a bit of time to learn compared to simpler AI tools. It's mainly web based for now, so no app experience yet. Overall, Kuse AI is worth trying if you like visual organization and work with multiple types of content, but if you need simple writing or quick answers, basic AI tool might not be enough. So it really depends on your workflow and how much structure you want in your projects. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.